So hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Ankit. So in this session we will discuss about if we don't use Create React app package to create a simple React website, so how we can create a React app, right? So in the starting of the React video tutorial series, we will see the two methods to create a React based application. Either we can use a directly create React app command simply using npx space create React app and then application name so that we can create a directly React application in a simple way. It will create automatically and configure all the particular folders and files inside it. It and We can also create a React project from scratch. I have already created these videos. If you want to watch this video, I will give the link in my description box. You can click on the link and watch these video. That will be very helpful. So first one is to create a React application using Create React App npm package. And second one to create a React application from scratch. It means there will be a no configuration. You will create a simple empty folder inside it. One by one, you will create every file. So that will be very helpful to you. So for gaining the knowledge, how the every file will create and how every file will work in React. Right. So in this session, we will discuss the other NPM packages or framework that we can use in replacement of the Create React app. So one question in our mind arises that how we need to package to use these packages in replacement of Create React app. So the answer is the Create React App npm package has been deprecated, is no more officially defined in the React.dev website, official website, right? So we should avoid this npm package Create React App. So here, already defined in official website, the different other NPM packages and the React framework that we can use to create a simple React website, right? So if you want to use a simple create React app like packages, to create a simple website, you can use alternative white or parcel packages. With the help of these packages, you can simple create a React application, React web-based website, like in same way like we did for the Recreate React app, right? So in the latter video, we will see how we can create a website using this white or parcel. Right. So apart from these two packages, we have other production-based React framework that we can use. Like first one is Next.js. Next.js is a complete framework which does not provide or grant you create the UI framework. You can also create a server-like component using this framework, which is developed by a Vercel. So you can create a website with using this command npx create hyphen next hyphen app at the rate latest and then application name. The second framework is Remix, which is maintained by the Shopify, and you can use this particular framework which is also supporting nested routing, which is also supported in the Next.js. So Next.js is going to be very popular to work as a framework, because framework is not just a single library, because React.js is a single library, right? And the Next.js is a combination of multiple libraries, right? So it will be very helpful if we you will use this. So simply using the command npx create hyphen remix, then application name, you can create a simple remix framework based React application. Next framework is Gatsby. So Gatsby also a CMS based website creation provided. So you can use the command npx create hyphen Gatsby, then application name. This is the official website of Gatsby. So here you can see the documentation. With the help of documentation, you can simply create or configure your application using the Gatsby. Next framework is Expo, right? Basically, if you want to create an application which is based on the mobile application, so you have to use the React Native. So if you want to create a React Native application, you have to go with the Expo, which is created by the Expo company. So it is also a React framework. So with the help of this framework, you can create Android, iOS based mobile application, right? So Next.js also provide a app router, so you can use these APIs to create the simple React applications, right? So these are the framework that we can use in alternative to the create React app npm package to create a simple React application. So you can use anyone, but the some of the popular framework, first one is Next.js and second one is the Gatsby. And okay, so you can do it. So in this session, we learn how we can create a React application without using the create React app, using the some alternative npm packages uh, the white or Parcel npm package, or we can use the frameworks like Next.js or Remix, Gatsby, Expo, right? So these are one. So that's it for this session. We will discuss the why to create a simple application using this in the next video. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.